What's up, guys? It's Larry again. Been a full-time reseller since 1997 on eBay. This is my office that I do all my eBay out of. Since the pandemic, 6 months ago, I've pretty much haven't been spending much time here. I come down here to, store my stuff and do shipping and stuff, maybe an hour every other day. So I've kind of neglected this place for the past 5 or 6 months. So I'm gonna show you a video how bad it is right now, because I haven't done much to it. We're gonna do some before and after. Let's see if it looks any better when I'm done. I've already started some of it, so it already looks better than it did. But let's get to the video. All right, when you walk in, I normally just set all my new stuff I get right there, and it's just been sitting there for a while. And this is some photo holders, mailers that I brought in today. I bought some bins because I needed some bins the other day and haven't done anything with them. As you can tell, trash cans are in short supply, so we brought some trash bags, so I'm gonna clean all that up. This is where I do all my shipping right here. Like I said, this is like 6 months of mess and buildup. Like I said, I've just been neglecting this place. This is where all my packing supplies and stuff is. Where the empty spot is there on the desk, I just took this stereo out. The amplifier ended up blowing up, so we're going to see about probably selling that stuff. But this is that vintage t-shirt lot. I'm finally getting to see the bottom of that, but I've listed a bunch of stuff. This is some more stuff I need to list. I usually lay them out like that, so they'll try to get the wrinkles out, if there's any wrinkles, so they won't wrinkle up. Most of this is just storage. It's okay. I store that. This is all the kind of like rejects and stuff. Like if I'm looking at stuff and there's any kind of flaw on it, like this is a new shirt, but it had some black stuff on it. Probably fell on the floor at the thrift store or something. Anything with issues I put over here, and I'll either sell it in my local store or do something with, redonate or something. There's more trash I need to pick up. This is my photo booth. Getting ready to put that on there. This thing right here is the best $100 I ever spent. It's a Dyson bladeless fan. It's pretty nice. I still have tons of stuff from that Amazon pallet that we went through like a month ago. Still haven't got all that stuff picked up yet. These are all movies that need fixed. There's my machine. This is my 4K stack of movies. I bought a 4K player from a pawn shop, and then come to find out it wasn't a 4K player, so I haven't got to watch any of these movies. But there's some shoes that need to be listed. I said even my computer TV stand over there is just freaking junked up with stuff I was watching. Here's like a Jordan thing that I'm getting ready to list, and getting ready to list this Steelers thing. All this stuff is to be listed. These stacks right here, and this little stack here, and that big stack over there. All that stuff needs to be listed. Like I said, there's more stuff from when I do those haul videos. We have some stuff sitting there. We need to clean all that up. I need to clean up all this. This stuff here is listed material. I just need to put that on a lid and sort that out. That's all listed right there. All this stuff needs to go on these shelves, because when I come in here and shoot my videos, I just leave them on the floor because they're easier to go through. But it doesn't look as nice, so I'm going to try to get this looking nicer. But this is my setup of how I do my clothes and stuff. There's some more stuff that needs to be listed. But there's all my snapbacks, and these are all my hockey jerseys. That's my basketball jerseys. These are my football jerseys. There's like bicycle cycling jerseys, baseball jerseys. That's all my sports tees. That's all my NASCAR tees. That's all my collared shirt. No, what is that? Oh, that's all my vintage T-shirts. Those are like collared shirts. There's some sweaters, jackets and stuff, some sweatshirts. So a lot of people do the bins with like A number 1 and A number 3. I just do it sort out in like categories. I'm gonna end up eventually having to do that system, just because I'm getting so much stuff in now. I'm at like 1,400 items now on my store, I believe. But anyway, I'm going to get to work. Like I said, I've already. I'm sorry I'm making you dizzy, but yeah, I've already cleared out this whole spot and put stuff on the shelves and stuff. And like I said, I've already taken down that stereo. So we're getting a little bit of stuff done. Hopefully, by the end, it will look kind of nicer. Who knows? But still got to finish this wall here sometime. I have some more autographs to hang up, but my Dollar Tree didn't have any of those frames. I just used Dollar Tree frames for them. They look good. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. If you guys deal on any kind of 8x10, signed, unsigned, anything that will fit in an 8x10, I just ordered those mailers down there. I just ordered 300 of them. I've been using them recently, and they have been really good. They take no time at all. What I do is I put them in a top loader. I think I have any here, but it's like a little 8x10 holder. It's kind of like that thing there, but that one's a 16x20. But they make an 8x10 top loader. Put it in a top loader, tape it, and then you put it in one of those, and it's really good protection. I get 300 of those for, I think it's under $100 for 300 of them. Those are kind of pricey. I can't remember how much those. They come up to like 40 cents a piece or something. All right, it's 3 hours later. We got that big pile of mess there cleaned up. Desk looks a little different now. I was able to put my computer on there now. And I got my Dymo. I've had that for like 6 months. I still haven't had it hooked up yet. Place I keep my receipts. There's some stuff that needs listed. We save some empty boxes, and then there's shipping boxes that we purchase. We save our packing material. This is stuff we send our DVDs in. I got a thing of bags in case we need a bag. This looks all much better right here. Look at that. We do have a floor. That box isn't there anymore. It's been there for a couple months. Well, ever since I got the thing. It's a kid's drum set that we bought. We're going to try to sell. This is stuff that needs listed. Some of this is that old vintage t-shirt lot. We also got some vintage sweatshirts. This is a stack of Harley stuff I'm taking to my store. Like I said, we can actually see. This is a big box of Amazon returns that we haven't processed yet or checked to see if it works or any of that kind of stuff. This is still unsorted stuff that needs listed or taken to the store. All these puzzles are probably listed on eBay. The Star Trek thing we picked up the other day, it goes for like $100 and some on eBay. We paid $10 for it. Yeah. So it looks a lot better. You can actually see the floor and walking around down there. Don't mind that. That cart's coming with me. I'm taking that stuff home. So that will be gone tonight. Yep, I got to pick up that shoe box. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better. Now I get to come back tomorrow and tear it all up when I do my shipping. So have a good one, guys. Just thought this would make an interesting video to show you how disastrous my storage area here was and how it looked when I was done. Have a good one, guys.